Good morning everyone, this is Ray Bahian, your real estate broker. At the back of me is a corner lot, Block 8, Lot 1 in Greenville Heights Subdivision, Barangay Casili, Consolacion. The beauty of this property is it is facing the east. So imagine building a house here. Every morning this is what you enjoy, the morning sunrise. This is also near Sacred Heart School Ateneo de Cebu and also SMCT Consolacion. Good morning everyone.